Welcome to Car Showcase, your ultimate destination for all things cars. We're excited to share with you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. The 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat is a powerhouse of a pickup truck, boasting a rugged yet refined design. Its body is built with high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum, making it incredibly durable and lightweight. The Lariat trim offers a luxurious touch with its chrome accents and sleek lines. With a fuel capacity of 26 gallons, the F-150 Lariat offers an impressive range for long hauls. Its dimensions are equally impressive, with a length of 243.2 inches, width of 79.9 inches, and height of 75.6 inches. The wheelbase spans 145.4 inches, providing a stable and responsive ride. Under the hood lies a potent 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, generating 450 horsepower and 510 torque. This beast can accelerate from 0–60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest trucks on the market. The top speed is electronically limited to 120 miles per hour, ensuring safety and control. The engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing lightning-fast shifting and precise control. The F-150 Lariat's interior is equally impressive, with premium leather seats, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and advanced driver assistance features like lane departure warning and blind spot detection. The color quality is exceptional, with a range of vibrant colors to choose from, including a stunning agate black that shines like diamonds in the sunlight. Starting at $55,000, the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat offers an unbeatable combination of power, luxury, and value. Whether you're a seasoned truck enthusiast or a first-time buyer, this truck is sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Showcase for more car reviews, comparisons, and showcases. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content, and we'll catch you in the next video.